So here is how you can search for photos on Google Drive. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss anything important. So we open up the Google Drive as usual. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account, and you can browse your photos and files and everything manually. But if you want to search for or filter images only, you can tap on the search field at the top like this, and you technically don't even have to type in anything as you have the type selector. You can click on a type and choose the photos and images right there, and it's going to filter your entire Google Drive for photos and images, right? So as you can see, I already have some iPhone photo in here or whatever else I might have available. It's going to show it up right here. Or I can see that the photos and images is still selected for filtering, and I can type in something specific, right? So if I type in iPhone at the top, you can see that only photos and images are shown. And if I look for the keyword iPhone, only those which contain it in the name or somewhere along the file are going to be shown to me. So this is how I can search for not only the category of photos and videos, but also for a specific file type and make it look like this. So this would give me the ability to search for photos and find essentially anything that I want. I also have an Android device in here, by the way, which it is for the purpose that, of course, if you go to the Google Drive, you can perform the very same search as I've shown you. But if you have a file browser like this, it is possible that you have the Google Drive linked in here too. So you would have the ability to kind of like look it up through one app if you would want to do this. But on the Android, it is kind of like almost exactly the same. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Let me know if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.